What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to actually edit your videos by using text, and it's pretty awesome because it allows you to take out pauses and delete takes that you don't want really fast. For starters, you need to make sure you have Premiere Pro Beta installed. So head on over to the Creative Cloud desktop app and go down to Beta Apps, install Premiere Pro Beta. Now all you have to do is drag in any video that you want to edit. And once we do this, go up to the edit window at the top and head on down to preferences and then transcription. You're going to want to make sure that automatically transcribed clips is selected, and then you can select your preferences, auto transcribe all imported clips or just the ones in the sequence. Once you do that, you'll notice at the top it's going to start working on transcribing that text. At the top, click on your workspaces button and head on down to text-based editing. So now when you bring this down into your sequence, you are immediately going to be greeted by all of the text that we have right here. So for example, what is text-based editing? Well, as you can see in my timeline, like I have a bunch of starts and stops. Here we go. What's up, everyone? Like I mess up all the time. Normally I would hit C on my keyboard, delete all these cuts, move it around just to get this cleaned up and looking nice. But with this new technique, we're actually allowing ourselves to edit using the text window. And these little three dots right here show us the pauses, and you can uncheck that at the bottom right, or you can check it. I like having it checked so then we can quickly see. So I can see what's up, everyone. Oh, 2-second pause. What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to show you good morning. What's up, everyone? So obviously you can see I messed up quite a bit, but since I know that this take right here is the good one, I can just click on it, and then it's going to bring me right to that take. Welcome to a new tutorial. So what we can do is actually highlight everything before that and click backspace, like we're deleting a Word document. And just like that, we are starting our video on the best take. What's up, everyone? Welcome to a new tutorial. And this is great because we're allowing ourselves to quickly go through our entire project and see if there's any repeats, or if we had an issue, or if there's any like long pauses right here. Like this is a 1.8 second pause. So what happened here? Cap. Now, and I'm going to type cinematic. So yeah, like all this stuff right here, I can just take out because that was a long pause, right? So it's basically allowing you to quickly and easily go through, find out those pauses that you have. Like even if you just use this for the pause section, it helps a lot because you can quickly jump to that point. Or my favorite feature is being able to search. So if I know in this tutorial I talked about title and I want to find every moment that I mentioned title, then I can quickly do that. Or if I said cinematic, I want to be able to find where I said cinematic, and if I made a mistake, then I can know that I need to delete this cinematic because the next cinematic is the better one. In the future, I hope Premiere adds some features that allow us to auto remove all of our spaces, and then a quick option to see repeated text, or allow us to pick the best take whenever we mess up. So that's all I have time for today. Please let me know if you guys check out this feature, and if you do, hit that like button and let me know what you think down in the comments. Peace.